Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Nailedit's 4th day challenge. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own liquid latex or a cleanup product at home. All you'll need is your old nail paint polish, bottle, and a dropper. I have taken my ink pen dropper. You can use any dropper that you have at your place. Using a dropper, put some acetone into your nail polish bottle. You can use your regular acetone. As you can see, I have taken a clear polish bottle in case if you are planning to take a bottle which is a colored one like with a black color or any other color, it might take a few washes to clean the bottle. Put the lid back on, make sure it's nice and tight, and then shake the bottle to wash off the polish inside. This liquid latex is so helpful because it saves us so much time when it comes to cleanup process. I'm taking a cotton pad to clean this because I am too lazy, but you can also dip this into warm water and keep it aside until it's dry. Oops, now I'm struggling to remove this out, but I will. Now we will need glue. I have taken this Camlin glue, but you can use any glue that you have at your place. So the next step is very simple. All you have to do is pour the glue into the nail polish bottle like so. If you're new here, I'm grateful to have you. I would love to share it with you that I am sharing a new video every day for a month. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the thumbs up button and learn together. Put the lid on and our liquid latex is ready. Now for the fun part, we will try a liquid latex product. I'm gonna paint it around my cuticles like so. Try to get as close as you can around the edge of your nails so it protects as much skin as possible. Now you have to wait for it to dry. I actually pulled out my hair dryer because it works quickly. Otherwise it takes time. You can also do the same. You can see it's dry. Now we'll apply the nail pen and see if it works. Okay, I don't apply the nail pen like this, but for demonstration I've done this. Take a toothpick and just push it around the edge to remove the glue like so. Wow, can you see it works perfectly? And it saves so much more time. So here is a liquid latex which we made at home and it's ready to use now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Thank you so much for watching.